My name's Ian Hughes. I'm a Senior Research Analyst at 451 Research, part of S&P Global Market Intelligence. My coverage areas include industrial IoT, AR, VR, and autonomous robotics. Plant performance management systems are there to capture the knowledge of the people in a process. At intervals such as with shift handover or inspection routines, anything that involves people needing to share information with one another can be captured in these systems. So they become incredibly important in safety. So we have lots of processes on the shop floor. If there's a safety incident, there's lots of things to be recorded. But if those things are recorded just for an audit trail and written on paper and put in a filing cabinet, they're not going to help necessarily improve the overall safety of the plant. Once it's digitally captured, there's the ability to analyse it and maybe combine more than one incident report and try and see what has actually happened, because you've got the actual knowledge of the people on the ground. And it's the knowledge of that workforce that, aside from safety, just for operational reasons, is incredibly important to the entire process. And with the demographic changes in the industrial workforce, we're seeing what's often called the great crew change, where we're having older workers with decades of experience leaving and not necessarily being backfilled by more junior people to train up and give that knowledge to. So therefore it becomes even more imperative to try and capture what these people know before we lose them.